How to tie the clove hitch. So here we have our rope. To the right hand side is going to be my working end, and going off to the left hand side there will be my standing end. This is the bar we want to put the clove hitch on. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the working end and we're going to pass it over our bar like so. We then come underneath and pull it around so that it comes to the right hand side of our standing end there. The next thing that we're going to do is we pass it over the top again, but this time as we pass it over the top, we allow it to cross over our standing end at this point. Bring it round underneath again, and then this time, now that we've got it underneath, what we're going to do now is pass it underneath that crossing point there so that it runs parallel with the standing end at that point. So just pass it round through parallel and then just pull it tight, and there we have it. We now have the clove hitch, and to make it nice and secure, just make sure that it is dressed properly and nice and tight. And there we have it, 1 in number clove hitch.